Hey, what's going on, everybody? Malik Ray here, bringing you another video to share how you can start making some extra money on the internet for free. No credit card required, no money out of your pocket. I'm going to show you exactly how to start. If you've never made money on the internet before, or if you've never, if you wanted to find out how you can start making money on the internet, I want to show you a great way with a great platform that I'm using right now, okay? So right now I'm showing you the back office of a platform that I'm using called Level Rewards. Okay, this is a platform that pays you when you help other people complete incentivized offers from Fortune 500 companies. So let me show you guys what I'm talking. Well, first off, let me just show you the payments that this is real. This is my back office of Level Rewards. They pay every day on the same day when you help somebody reach level 1 or higher. Depending on what level you reach, depends on how much money you can potentially make. So the first thing that you must do when you come to, this website, or if you want to get started, it's really simple. I'm going to log out and show you what to do. The first thing you want to do is register. There'll be a link below to where you can register and you can follow everything that I'm about to show you. But basically, you just want to enter your information here, email address, username, password, first name, last name. You can only have one account, and you verifying this information right here lets them know that you are the only person that's getting this account and you haven't had two. Fill out all information as far as your street address, state, zip code, the country you're in, the phone number. The way you want to get paid, myself, I get paid with PayPal, but you can transfer the money to your bank, or you can use Amazon gift cards if you would like. And after that, you just agree to the terms, and you are aware that only one account per household is allowed, okay? And then you just register for the account. And if you're using PayPal, make sure you enter your PayPal email address right here, whatever that may be. Just put that right there. And after that, you just want to log in, or you just want to be inside of your account. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and log in to show you what you're going to see. And to start for free, remember what I said, you have to be on level 1 to be eligible to make some money. So currently, if you've registered for an account, you're on level 0, okay? So you want to reach level 1. How do we get to level 1 so you can start making some extra money? Well, the first thing you want to do is go over to offers. And you want to, choose, actually you want to go with cost here, okay? Now, some of these offers will say free, but some of them require a pre-authorization, cost. So I don't want you to have to worry about any of that, okay? I'm going to help you with one offer that doesn't require any cards. It doesn't require you to call anybody to cancel or anything. All you have to do is just download and install this offer to your computer, and you will be on level 1, and you will be eligible to start making $5 per person that you help complete this offer right here, okay? The Nielsen Rewards offer, all right? All you have to do, like I said, is register for an account. You've already registered, log in, go to the offers tab and find the Nielsen Rewards offer. Sign up, install the app, and send your first log of data. Basically, all you have to do is just sign up and install the app. And after you're done, it's going to, tell you, hey, look, you completed the offer. What you're going to click this, complete this offer. It's going to take you to a new page. And all you want to do is just click get started. I already have this, so it's going to look a little different for you guys. But you're just going to click get started there. And it's going to bring you here. You're going to fill out all of this information. Sign up. And then it's going to ask you to install it. After you install, it will put you on level 1 for Levels Rewards, and you will be eligible to make $5 per person for everybody that you help complete that same offer. Okay, so when you sign up, complete the offer, you'll be on level 1. You go out and see who's interested in making some extra money, and then you get them to do that same exact offer. As you can see, I got the offer here. Nielsen Rewards, it was free. I didn't have to use any cards. I didn't have to do any of that. Okay, but this is how you can start making money online for free. So every person that you help complete and install this offer, you'll make $5. And it will go straight to either your PayPal or your bank account. Or if you choose to, get an Amazon gift card, they'll put it on your Amazon gift card. Okay. Now, just to show you that they do pay out, I'm going to go over to my PayPal, and I'm going to just show you them sending me my money. Okay. Just to show you that this is real and you can get paid. All right. So bear with me for 1 second while I log in. All right. This is my PayPal account. Logging in right now. I'm going to show you guys the proof that I have been getting paid from Levels Rewards. And like I said, you can start for free. All you have to do is, once again, register for an account. After that, do the Nielsen Rewards offer. And then after that, once you receive your credit, you'll be able to sign other people up to do the offer as well. Okay, so let's see. Levels Rewards, boom. Levels Rewards, 5, 25, 5, 30. Levels Rewards, 30, 15, 35, 5, 10. They pay every single day, same day. If I want to make my money back the same day, I can. 70, 10, 15, 5. So just wanted to make this quick video for you guys. I'm not going to keep you too long. This is real. All you have to do, once again, register for an account, log in, do the Nielsen Rewards offer. Okay, this one right here. Nielsen Rewards will put you on level 1, and you'll be eligible to make $5 per person. All right, if you need any help, get in contact with me. As you can see, credit is usually applied within your account 1-2 days. So just be patient, and once you get the credit, I can help you start making money. I can help you find people that's interested in making extra money. This is free. Even though it starts off small with just making $5, that can grow. Okay, so you're looking for something free to start, this is definitely it. We have a proof group as well. I want to show you, just to give you some more proof that there's more people, just not me, doing this opportunity, or people that have this platform. Here's the proof group here. Over 30,000 members right now. People every day post in this group, sharing their, results. They share their results every day. As you can see, this person here, September 6th, they have another payment coming in. They made $1,700 while being members. This person here has made an extra $10. This person here made an extra $60 on the 7th. He made $15 on the 7th. Actually, I'm sorry. They made $25 on the 7th. Just getting started. This person here, extra $1,600. A lot of people are earning, okay? A lot of people are earning extra money here. So if you want to get started for free, once again, register for an account. Start off with one offer, the Nielsen Rewards offer. After you get to level 1, then we can train you on how to start getting other people involved with your business, okay? Thanks for watching. Have any questions, get in contact with me through Facebook or email, and I'll reach out to you. But other than that, thanks for watching, and have a great day. Peace out.